Namaste everyone, my name is Akshay and I warmly welcome you to Satvik Yoga. Today I'll be sharing with you 3 very powerful pranayams to energize your body and your mind. These pranayams are first, Yogic Breathing, second, Ujjai, and third, the most powerful, Kapala Bhati. So if you feel tired, lethargic or lazy throughout the day, then practice this flow in the morning and you'll be good. So, come onto your mats, come to a seated posture. You can sit in Sukhasana. Just observe right now. I'll tell you how to do these pranayams. So, first is yogic breathing. Yogic breathing is very simple. All you need to do is fully inhale and fully exhale. We don't consciously breathe. So the first round is to fully breathe in and fully breathe out. We will do 7 cycles of this. Practice 2 is Ujjayi breathing. So just do Ujjayi breathing with me right now. If you have not done it before, just observe. Place your right hand in front of your face and now try and create fog on this hand. Imagine that you're creating fog. How will you create fog? Do it with me, come on. Now, the way you are exhaling, inhale like that also. Slowly inhale and exhale. Now, relax your right hand. Close your mouth and do the same exhalation and inhalation with the constriction in your throat. We will do 7 cycles of Ujjayi breathing also. If you are finding it difficult, you don't know how to do it properly, it's alright. Do as much as you are able to understand, it's okay. At the end, we will do Kapala Bhati Pranayama. Now this is a very intense practice. If you have high blood pressure, you should avoid this practice. You can only do the first 2 pranayams. For this practice, all you need to do is keep your hands on your knees facing downwards and exhale forcefully through your nostrils. Just observe right now. What you need to do is this. So you need to forcefully exhale and naturally breathe in. Don't forcefully breathe in again, okay? Again, if you're pregnant, if you have high BP, if you have asthma or any cardiovascular disease, don't practice Kapala Bhati. You can only do yogic breathing and Ujjayi breathing. Alright, let's move on to the practice everyone. We'll start with yogic breathing. Come to your mat, sit in a comfortable pose. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Hands should be on your knees, facing downwards. And now, slowly breathe in. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Fully inhale. Exhale. Empty your lungs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. Come to normal breathing. You've oxygenated your body and warmed up your lungs. Next, we will do Ujjayi to generate heat in the body. This will ensure a proper flow of energy in your entire body. If you don't remember how to do Ujjayi, we will just practice it one more time. Place your right hand with your eyes closed in front of your mouth and exhale as if you're creating fog. And inhale just like that. Exhale, create fog. And inhale with the same constriction. Exhale. Inhale. Now relax your right hand, keep it on your knees. Close your mouth. We will do 7 cycles of Ujjayi breathing. Inhale, Ujjayi breathing. Fully exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Come to normal breathing and feel the heat generated in your body. Keep your eyes closed. If you are not able to do Ujjayi properly, don't worry. Keep practicing with this video and you'll get better over time. Just take a few deep breaths, normal breaths. We are stabilizing the energies again. Moving on to the last pranayama, Kapala Bhati, forceful exhalations. This practice increases the energy in the body. It takes your energy from your Mooladhara all the way to the Sahasrar. So it energizes the chakras and the pranic system. We will do it in 3 cycles, and in each cycle we will exhale forcefully 7 times. So 7 forceful exhalations, then break for 10 seconds, and 2 more cycles just like this. We will start with the practice now. I will say exhale, and when I say exhale, you exhale forcefully and then let your inhale happen naturally. Let's do it together. Exhale, 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 exhale. Relax. Second cycle of Kapala Bhati. Try to make your exhalation even more intense this time. Inhale fully. Exhale. 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 Come back to normal breathing. So for beginners, it's ideal to only start with 21 Kapala Bhatis. Over time, you can build it to 50, 100, 150, but only under guidance of a yoga teacher. Let's start with the last round of Kapala Bhati. Try to feel the exhalation coming from your belly all the way to your head. Inhale fully. Exhale. 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 And release. Relax your breath. Notice the heat in your body and any sensations that are created after Kapala Bhati. The word Kapala Bhati translates to shining of the skull. So this practice does not only shine your intelligence, but also gives a glow to your face. So after regular practice, you can see that your face will also start glowing, just like the sun. We will come out of this practice now. Bring your hands together in Namaste. Rub your hands together. Place them on your eyes. Feel the heat in your eyes, passing through your eyes to your entire body, and very gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing pranayama with me today early in the morning. So if you want to improve your energy levels, practice this for the next 21 days and you'll see a marked difference in your energy levels. Thank you again for practicing. Namaste.